Hi everyone. Oily hair. I am talking about oily hair. Embarrassed. Oily hair is make you feel like not confident and feel shy, and sometimes talk to people you don't feel that. Look at people's eyes because you think people that steal of your hair and make you feel like not even talk loud. Okay. Today I am going to share with you a couple of things because this question I have a lot of my clients ask about how to avoid with the oily hair. So what I have a lot of people ask me that, but let me share with you a story in here. Hi everyone. I don't know why it's too dark in here. I cannot see. So, but if anyone come here see me, just say hi, okay? So the story that a couple of weeks ago I have the girl that's cause she's kind of like a teenager a little bit, but when she come in and then I did talk with her a little bit about her hair, and then she shared with me that, you know what, I just feel embarrassing with my hair. Sometimes like I have to wash my hair every day. I have to, after I wash, if I'm not washing my hair, I cannot go out, or I go to school, or if I go to school, I feel that it just, everyone just look at my hair or smell my hair, whatever. That's what she thought. So she's like, I spend a lot of time to wash my hair like nearly every day, and I really sometimes I feel that it's just so tired and I really don't know what to do with. And she said, every time if anyone that look at my hair, I just say, oh, this person, they look at my hair because my hair is too oily, or this person they steer at me like this, which means they know I have the oily hair, so I don't feel that confident. And sometimes she say to me that in that feeling, sometimes I even very shy, don't want to talk to people, and that make me feel really bad about myself, and I feel like low self-esteem because I can't even talk to people and look at people's eyes. So if you are watching this video and if you think that is something you are in the same line and this resonate with, here's what I'm going to share with you, of 4 things that for you to avoid oily hair. So the number one thing that if you have oily hair, number one, you have to choose the right shampoo for your hair. If you have fine hair, you have to get the shampoo that add more volume for your hair. Okay, and then so it doesn't get too much like nourishing. If it's too much, it can easy to get greasy and oily. That number one, choose the right shampoo. But if you have thick hair, what you will do, you will choose like nourishing or hydrating shampoo that it give you a little bit moisture for your hair, and it doesn't feel like too dry. So, and then that's number one, choose the right shampoo. So number 2 thing that you need to wash your hair. Usually, if you have very oily hair, what I suggest that you wash your hair 3 times shampoo. Every time you wash 2 or 3 times shampoo. So most of people, when they wash hair, they have so much oily hair because they wash hair maybe 1 or maybe twice shampoo, but they wash very quickly and just tiny a little bit shampoo. For me, I suggest that you will wash your hair and take a little bit, like take more shampoo to wash your hair. Okay, take more shampoo to wash your hair, not just a little bit, but put the first time, put it on and wash very quickly. The second time, not if you put it too less, it will not clean your roots. Okay, so take a little bit more and then wash the second time, and then the third time I usually suggest that take the third time, but the third time you don't need a lot, but it need have enough to get into your root. So when you use that 3 times shampoo like that, I guarantee with you the root is more clean and nice. Oh, hello Helen. I see Helen here. I am holiday, but I go live stream to share with my client. So when you use the 3 times shampoo, I guarantee with you the hair is your scalp, it will be more cleaner and it will be help you less oily. So that is 3 times shampoo, not only one. And when you wash this, make sure your finger and rub on your scalp, especially I think on this part from the top and on the front here. It's easy to get oily, so focus on that part more. So that's second thing. So the third thing, this is the third part, is very important. Most of people miss. When you rinse your hair after you wash your hair, the third shampoo, what you will do that you will rinse your hair very well. What I mean very well, you need to rinse roughly about 5 to 7 minutes. Most of my clients have oily hair. I ask, they say, oh, I rinse my hair, I wash my hair in total time maybe 5 minutes. But I see if you wash your hair and you rinse and in total time wash 5 minutes, that's why the root is not clean enough. That's why it still get oily on it. So what I suggest is the first, when you wash the first shampoo, rinse quickly. The second shampoo, rinse quickly. But the third shampoo, rinse from 7 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes to 10 minutes. And the way you rinse it, what you will do that, like I say, focus on this part, but the way you rinse to make sure that the scalp is clean. You know what, you put your hair on the shower, and what you will do like this, tap 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 tap, use your hand and tap 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 tap. When you tap 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 like that, which means when you tap tap like that, so the water is get into your scalp, and when it get into your scalp, it make very clean. So with that said, what I say that the few technique for you to rinse with your hair to make sure it clean, that first it rub, second tap 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 tap, and focus on this part more. So with that said, the third step that you rinse your hair well from 7 minutes to 10 minutes, okay? And when you rinse like that already, then you can feel the scalp is so clean. And then the next step that you, when the number 4, that what you will do, that you will put the conditioner or treatment just the end of your hand, the middling to the end, because you already rinse on the root, it's quite nice and clean. Just you should not put any more like conditioner or treatment on your scalp, especially if you have oily hair. Just put just a little bit on the end, just middling to the end, and then rinse well after that another 5 minutes, which means in total time you rinse the hair is 10 minutes to 15 minutes in total time to rinse, okay? And in roughly that, if you can wash the hair start to finish, that roughly for me that from 20 minutes to half an hour. Then when you do this way, you only wash your hair twice a week, or sometimes if you don't do a lot of sweat or things like that, you only wash maybe once a week. Sometimes my client do that. Okay, so that is 4 steps that you need to know. But one more that I want to add in that, very important, if you try in that 4 step already and you feel your hair is still oily, this is the part you must do. What you will do that after you rinse with the conditioner or treatment already, you towel dry, apply the hair care products on. What you will do that, get the blow dry with the warm air, not too hot, warm air, and blow dry very quickly on your scalp. Okay, I don't suggest that you blow dry at the end. If you want to blow dry at the end with the cool air is the best. But if you want the root is less oily, that you will blow dry on the root straight away after you wash with the warm air. So especially focus on this part as well. Blow dry like that. When you actually blow dry that way, which means your scalp is really You rinse well with the water, and then you blow dry it. It dry and it very clean and dry. And I say to you that you will see that it no oily in the second day or even the third day. If you try that, and you can see how it look like, because I share this for my client, and most of my clients try it and they say it make my life change, because they spend a lot of time to wash hair, but the part that it not make them feel good, that not confident when they have oily hair. All right, so that's I share that with you. So if you are someone watching live, say hi me, or if you want this replace, just say type replace for me. And then if you have any question, if you are my client from Hair by Yang, okay, just ask me any question about you concern about your hair, like dry hair, damaged hair, color, not even, whatever question, I always here to help, and I Google live answer your question, okay? And also, if you are hairstylist, watch me live here. If you have any question, ask about, I don't know, client complaint or anything like that, rely on business, I'm here to help as well. So let's recap that for everyone, for avoid with the oily hair today. So in general, I have 4 things, but the last part I put separate for make it more important for everyone now. So 5 things I will put in description below, so you can, what I suggest you that if you can see that, you just screenshot what I wrote, and then every time you go to wash your hair, you can read step 1 what you need to do, step 2 what you need to do, and then with that say, if you follow that a couple times, you will know how to avoid with that, and that help you feel more confident with your hair. Okay, step number 1, get the right shampoo. Okay, choose the right shampoo for your hair type. Number 2, that wash your hair 3 times, 2 to 3 times shampoo with a lot of shampoo. Okay. Number 3, that rinse well, rinse really well from 15 minutes to 20 minutes for your hair, rinse well. And number 4, that just put conditioner at the end, not on the root. And the lastly, that blow dry, that number 5, that blow dry your hair with warm air on the root, focus on the root to make sure it dry after that. So that is I share with you that 5 things for you to remember, and then use that and implement and do that, and let me know how it look like. I would love to hear that you share with me how do you feel with that after you try, and share with me what you can have from there. And also, if you someone that watched it, and if you have literally you have oily hair, right? If you have oily hair, and share with me how you feel with that. Share with everyone that how you feel with that, and after when you try that, and you how do you feel after that. I would love to hear what you say. And if you like this video, please press the button that like for me, or give me a love heart. Okay, love heart. And then ask me any question. If you have any question, ask me. If you have any friend, every family that need it, share it to them, and then or tag them in the comment section, so they notice that, and they will follow, and that will help them so much. Okay, I have so many clients saying thank you so much about it, so I love to share with you. All right, so bye bye for now. So I'm on holiday, I'm in the balcony, just show you how the beach beautiful outside. Well, I am in Mooloolaba outside. Just okay. All right. So bye everyone now. So I miss my work. It's a couple day holiday. I didn't work, so I feel I miss my work. I will come back next week.